Welcome to Job Bridges Japanese Language Training Center. We provide an online tutorial for people who aspires to work in Japan. Before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel to keep you updated on our lessons to help you master Japanese language in no time.
Konnichiwa minasan! Welcome to lesson 42, and in this lesson we'll be discussing about sentence patterns in which you would like to indicate or state your purpose. So let's start. The first sentence pattern that we have in this lesson is verb dictionary form or noun no and then tame ni, in order to, or for a noun. Again, verb dictionary form tame ni, to or in order to perform another verb, or for another noun, or for a noun. And then noun no tame ni, to perform another verb and for another noun. So again, this sentence pattern indicates a purpose, okay, or a reason perhaps. But mainly it's for indicating your purpose. Example, 自分の店を持つために出勤しています。Again, 自分の店を持つために出勤しています。So the purpose in this sentence is the sentence or the fragment before the tamini, which is 自分の店を持つ, or to have my own shop. And of course, the verb that you would have to do in order to have your own shop is 出勤しています, or to save money, or currently I am saving money. So in English, 自分の店を持つために出勤しています is I am saving money in order to have my own shop. Now, I know it might be confusing to you because in the English sentence, the reasoning or the reason or the purpose is at the end of the sentence. But in Japanese sentence, your purpose must be stated first and then the verb that you are doing in order to achieve your purpose. Okay? 自分の店を持つために出勤しています。I am saving money in order to have my own shop. Again, your purpose in this sentence is to have my own shop, or 自分の店を持つために. Alright, now let's use the noun, or how do we use the noun no ために? Okay. 引っ越しのために車を借ります。引っ越しのために車を借ります。I will rent a car for the move. So the purpose of renting the car is, of course, again, for moving. You know, when you're moving from another house to another house, or from a certain office to another office. That's it. So, purpose is for moving, and then the action that you'll be taking is you'll be renting a car. 引っ越しのために for the move, 車を借ります。I will rent a car. Again, in an English sentence, your purpose is stated at the end of the sentence, but in a Japanese language, the purpose is stated first and then the action that will be taken to fulfill that purpose. わかりました皆さん? Now, noun no ために is also used to mean for the benefit of a noun. So this one, you'll see, or we'll be using we'll be doing the noun or for the benefit of a noun as an example. 健康のために毎朝走っています。Again, 健康のために毎朝引っ越して走っています。Or for my health, I jog every morning. So, for my health, 健康のために毎朝走っています。So, in this sentence, the construction of the English sentence and the Japanese sentence is almost the same. stating the reason at the start of a sentence, and then the action that will be taken is at the end of the sentence. Another one, kazoku no tame ni uchi o tattemasu. Again, kazoku no tame ni uchi o tattemasu. I will build a house for my family. Again, I will build a house for my family. Kazoku no tame ni, for my family, uchi o tatemasu. I will build a house. Now in this one, the sentence means the same, but in English, again, the reason for wanting to build a house is for the family. Okay, the purpose is at the end of the sentence, while in the Japanese sentence, the purpose is at the beginning of the sentence. Don't get confused, okay? Now, note that yo ni, which you learned in lesson 36, is also used to express a purpose. Again, yo ni is used with verbs that do not contain volition, while tame ni is used with verbs that do contain volition. Now, let's compare the two sentences below. Again, the example from before. 自分の店を持つために出勤しています。Now, compare it with this one. 自分の店を持ってるように出勤しています。Or, I am saving money in order to be able to have my own shop. Now, you might ask me, doesn't that just mean the same? Saving money to have your own shop. But in the first example, it means that one has intentionally set up the objective of having a shop and is saving money to attain that objective. While in the second example, using yoni means one's objective is a state in which a shop may be gained. Again, a shop may be gained and one is saving money in order to get closer to that state. See the difference? In the first sentence, when you say that using that sentence pattern, it means that you are intentionally saving money for your shop or for wanting your own shop. But then in the second sample, it means that your objective is a state in which you may be able to gain your own shop and you're saving money in order to get to that state. No? It means that in the first sentence, first example, you are already sure that you want your own shop. But then in the second one, saving money might be able to get you your own shop. Wakarimashita? Wakatta ne? Now, another thing to remember is narimas indicates either volition or non-volition. Again, narimas, remember that? It indicates either volition or non-volition. Example, 弁護士になるために法律を勉強しています。Again, 弁護士になるために法律を勉強しています。So, I study law in order to become a lawyer. So, you can use narimas and tamini in the same sentence. Now, here's another example. 日本語が上手になるように毎日勉強しています。日本語が上手になるように毎日勉強しています。I study every day so that my Japanese may improve. So, in the first sentence, you are really studying law in order to become a lawyer. You already set yourself to become a lawyer. But with the second example, with studying Japanese every day, you know that you will or may help you in becoming good in Japanese language. Wakatta? Now let's move on to verb dictionary form no ni or noun ni. Again, verb dictionary form no ni or noun ni. So in lesson 38, verb dictionary form no can be used as a noun phrase, while verb dictionary form no ni and noun ni are followed by such expressions as tsukau, i, benrida, yakunitatsu, and or jikan ga kakaru, etc. and indicates a purpose. Let's take a look at our example. Kono hasami wa hana o kiru no ni tsukaimasu. This pair of scissors is used to cut flowers. So we use the verb dictionary form kiru no ni tsukaimasu, indicating that the purpose of that certain pair of scissors is to cut flowers. Now, here are other examples. Kono kaban wa okikote ryoko ni benri desu. Kono kaban wa okikote ryoko ni benri desu. So this bag is big and convenient for trips. Now in this one, noun ni, right? Ryoko ni benri desu. And last example for this sentence pattern. Denwa bango o shiraberu no ni jikan ga kakarimashita. Denwa bango o shiraberu no ni jikan ga kakarimashita. It took a lot of time to find the telephone number. Shiraberu no ni jikan ga kakarimashita. Easy, everyone? Right. Now, let's talk about quantifier and then the particle wa. Again, quantifier with the particle wa. When attached to a quantifier, the particle wa indicates the minimum amount that the speaker estimates is required or necessary. Again, the amount or the minimum amount that the speaker estimates is required or necessary. Nihon de or Nihon de wa kekkon shiki o suru no ni 200万円はいります。Again, 日本では結婚をするのに200万円はいります。In Japan, you need to at least have 2 million yen to hold a wedding. Or in Japan, you need at least 2 million yen to hold a wedding. So in this statement, the quantifier is the 200万円はいります. So it means what? The minimum amount that you need to get married here in Japan is 2 million yen. Okay? It is stated by the 200万円wa. That's a big amount of money, right? Now, what if you see mo near a quantifier? When attached to a quantifier, the particle mo indicates that the speaker thinks that that amount or the amount mentioned is a lot. Again, it means that the amount mentioned is a lot for the speaker. Example, 駅まで行くのに2時間もかかりました. Again, 駅まで行くのに2時間もかかりました. It took as long as 2 hours to get to the station. So the speaker is stating that 2 hours is too much, okay, to get to the station. Stating that the amount mentioned or the quantifier mentioned, which is 2 hours, is too much for him or her. Another example that we have, 家を建てるのに3000万円も必要なんですか? 家を建てるのに3000万円も必要なんですか? You need as much as 30 million yen to build a house? So for the speaker, 30 million yen or 3000万円 is too much to build a house, which is, I think I have to agree with the speaker with this one. This is it. 30 million yen is really too much to build a house, right?
Alright, that's just it for today. See you on our next videos. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel to keep you updated on our lessons so you can master Japanese language in no time.